Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create new Figma designs. First, open Figma and navigate to your dashboard. You will see a prominent blue button to create a new design file. Click this to open a fresh canvas. Next, select the Frame tool, which you can activate by pressing the letter F on your keyboard. This allows you to draw your initial artboard. Figma offers many preset sizes, such as a desktop frame of 1440 pixels wide, or various mobile device dimensions, giving you a great starting point. Once your frame is set, it's time to populate your design with elements. Figma provides essential shape tools including rectangles, lines, ellipses, and polygons, which are fundamental building blocks. You can easily draw these by selecting the tool and clicking or dragging on your canvas. For text, use the Text tool shortcut T to add headings, paragraphs, and labels. You can customize fonts, sizes, and colors. To add visual interest, import images directly into your file, supporting formats like PNG and JPEG, making your designs more engaging. Bringing your static designs to life is simple with Figma's prototyping features. Head over to the Prototype tab in the right sidebar. Here, you can create connections between your frames and elements. Select an object, then drag a connection noodle to its destination frame. You can define triggers like on-click or on-drag and actions such as navigate to or open overlay. After setting up your interactions, click the present button at the top right to experience your design as a user would, testing the flow and functionality. Figma truly shines in its collaborative capabilities. You can easily share your design file with anyone by generating a link, granting them view or edit access. This enables real-time collaboration, where multiple team members can work on the same file simultaneously, seeing each other's cursors and changes instantly. Stakeholders can leave comments directly on the design, streamlining feedback. When your design is ready, export individual assets or entire frames in multiple formats, including PNG, JPG, and SVG, ensuring a smooth handover to developers or for presentations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.